All right, everybody, we're at the Home Depot today, and if you're getting ready to list your home, here is a list of a few things you need to do, and if you don't do these things, you're leaving money on the table. But you follow me, Vanessa, the Texas Hill Country Queen, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications to learn what you need to do to save thousands of dollars and make more money. All right, you guys, here we go. This ain't sexy, but it's extremely important. If you've got the original toilets inside your home with the short bowl and the short height, guess what? We're gonna replace your toilets. It ain't sexy, but it sure will make you a lot of money. So you can go to the Home Depot, which is where we're at, for $250, $169. You can get the elongated toilets and the taller toilets, and that's what you wanna do. So let's not skip the small stuff. Let's make sure we keep it in the details. Spending $169 can make you thousands. All right, everybody, this is super important. It doesn't cost a lot of money to do small things that are intentional. Now, changing out the faucets in your sink, that's important because if you have the originals, that's a no joy. So we need ones that are a little longer, that come out a little further, but also have a cohesive color pattern that we're trying to change it to make it look more modern. They have them all here. They have all the colors that you could possibly need. Now, this is where people always fall short, but you follow me, so you're not gonna fall short. You need to change out the shower heads, and that's in the primary, but then also in the secondary bathroom. These little bitty touches are going to make you thousands of dollars. Cost you little, but make a lot of money in the end. And that's what we're trying to do. Little equals big. All right, everybody. Another important thing that you can do is lighting. Lighting really sets the stage for the home. Again, these are small things that really equal up to big money. So change out all the lighting in your bathrooms. Now, these are some very modern ones, but they also have ones that aren't so modern, but they're also trending, which is what you need to do. Your house needs to be trending. And $49, $69, $89. You've got 2 bathrooms, 3 bathrooms, $300, and you just really gain thousands of dollars. So we're gonna fix your toilets, we're gonna fix your lighting, and we're gonna change out your faucets in your home. I've got one more really important trick. Follow me. One of the very first things people do is they walk up your driveway to see your house that you are trying to sell. Well, your lipstick on your pig needs to be beautiful. Mulch. You have to mulch the driveway. You've got to mow the yard. You have to edge the yard. Then we need to put beautiful flowers that have color so they can really see what they're buying. This is where people will decide on their opinion of your house right then and there on the walk up to the house. They want their home to look beautiful. So if you don't do it, you just left $10,000 on the table. You follow me, Vanessa, the Hill Country Queen, and I'm here to make sure we sell your home in a time and make money, not lose money. I'm telling you all of these things so that way, instead of getting an average offer, you're gonna be able to get top dollar. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me, and save this video for later because you're gonna need it. I'm Vanessa, the Texas Hill Country Queen, and I look forward to listing your home.